All right, had a little bit of time here, and I want to show you this new knife that I got. New EDC knife, ordered off of Amazon, around to $40. This is a fantastic blade. If you can see, the name is Drachenader. If I'm not mistaken, it means it's German. It's something like dragon's vein or something like that. So this knife is a button lock, got G10 scales, 14C 28N blade steel. Okay, it's a Bowie type profile, extremely sharp. This is the first blade that I have purchased that will literally shave the hairs off of my arm. Fantastically sharp. I love the action on this blade. It comes in two variants. One has a black G10 scales and a black coated blade, but I preferred this more brighter look with the gray scales. I like gray EDC. 3 ways to open. So you have the finger tab, or hold the button and flip it open, and finger flick. And listen at that sound. Let me turn this air conditioner on. See if you can hear that. You see how that action is. Have basically a deep carry clip. Because the angle, you have just a little bit that protrudes, but it's not bad. A lanyard loop, and this is a very good clip. Okay, the screws are a little exposed, but they do not interact or hinder inside the pocket. Great blade. I say this is, you can find this on Amazon for around $40, and I would say it's worth that and some. And the great thing about the button lock is it is far more secure and less